Integrating CyberScout membership plans is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. CyberScout is a leading provider of identity theft protection and credit monitoring services, offering comprehensive membership plans to individuals and families. To integrate CyberScout membership plans, start by reviewing the different plan options available, including individual, family, and business plans. Each plan offers a range of benefits, such as credit monitoring, identity theft protection, and fraud alerts. Once you have selected the plan that best meets your needs, you can enroll online or by phone. The enrollment process typically requires providing some basic personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. After enrolling, you will receive a welcome package with instructions on how to access your account and begin using the various services and tools provided by CyberScout. These may include online credit reports, credit scores, and identity theft protection alerts. One of the key benefits of CyberScout membership plans is the access to dedicated fraud specialists, who can provide personalized support and guidance in the event of identity theft or fraud. These specialists can help you navigate the recovery process and provide valuable advice on how to protect yourself from future incidents. To get the most out of your CyberScout membership plan, it is essential to regularly review your credit reports and monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity. You should also take advantage of the various educational resources and tools provided by CyberScout, such as online tutorials and webinars, to learn more about identity theft protection and credit management. By following these steps and taking advantage of the benefits and services provided by CyberScout, you can enjoy comprehensive identity theft protection and credit monitoring, and have peace of mind knowing that you are protected from the growing threat of identity theft and fraud.